Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and ever since we wrapped our first Cybertruck back in December 2023, I have been waiting to share with you the world's first Cybertruck wrapped in Nuys Supergloss sand. I absolutely love this color. It has been a favorite of mine. At one point, I even wrapped my Model X in it, but nobody has done it on a Cybertruck, and I think it is the perfect color. It is very military, it looks really cool, and we are out of the shop today. We've got US Army base happening right to our right over here. There's some planes flying over, so sorry about some of the noise, but I felt that this was a great spot to shoot this video and share with you how cool this wrap looks. I mean, it's pretty awesome, right? I mean, nobody's done it yet. I believe we are the first, and I'm really proud to share it with you. This customer went all in, not just on the wrap, but also on the wheels and tires. He wanted to downsize from the stock 20-inch wheels and tires that came with the Cybertruck to our brand new, fully forged 18-inch wheel and tire package using a very specific Nitto Recon Grappler 18-inch kind of off-road tire. This is really cool. This is going to be great for off-road. This is going to be great for traction and comfort too, because you got that much larger sidewall. Now let's dig deeper into the wheels and tires. Take a look at the brake calipers. Because the CT7 wheels lend themselves as being an open style spoke wheel, you can go ahead and now see the factory brake calipers from Tesla. The challenge is that Tesla's brake calipers are just plain silver. No badging, no nothing. We went ahead and painted them in the performance red color and meticulously reapplied the Cybertruck letters in the Cybertruck font on the front caliper. Pretty cool. Love the attention to detail. To finish it all off, because this individual is not only gonna enjoy their Cybertruck off-road and on long distance drives, they wanted to go ahead and make sure that they're protecting the wrap and all the plastic trims on the car for long-term use, long-term enjoyment, and to reduce the chances of fading, to go ahead and provide for easier cleanup, to go ahead and kind of secure in the wrap. And the answer is Ceramic Pro. We did apply the Ceramic Pro product to the complete wrap area, all the plastic trims, the bumpers, even the motorized tonneau cover, to again help reduce fading, provide for very easy cleanup, and help reduce staining. It's important for the Cybertruck. We also apply some of that Ceramic Pro on the glass. They have a special product for that, and that is designed to repel water very quickly and also reduce water stains. This truck is all done. We're on location. We're heading back to the shop now. Delivery is happening tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you love our Cybertruck content, trust me, I have so much more coming your way soon.